Welcome to 6175 Rocky Top, located in Sunrise Manor, just on the eastern side of Las Vegas. Now, this is a gated community, and the current and previous owner were both doctors, and they left this home in spectacular condition. Let's go check it out. Come on. Welcome to this stunning single-story home featuring 4 bedrooms, a 3-car garage, an attached casita, and RV parking, all on a spacious quarter-acre lot. As you step inside, you're greeted by beautiful archways and vaulted ceilings, creating a bright and open atmosphere. The kitchen is thoughtfully designed with a breakfast bar, cozy nook, 42-inch upper cabinets, a double oven, and a large island with plenty of counter and storage space. It also connects to the garage through the laundry room for added convenience. The primary bedroom is a relaxing retreat featuring elegant French doors at the entrance, a sliding door to the backyard, and a spacious bathroom with a tub and shower combination. At the end of the west wing, you'll find the attached casita with its own ensuite and a private entrance through the front courtyard, perfect for hosting guests or accommodating family. The backyard completes this home with a full-length patio cover, low-maintenance desert landscaping, and stunning views of Frenchman Mountain, along with a peek at the downtown Vegas skyline. Located in Sunrise Manor, this home is just minutes from landmarks like the Frenchman Mountain Trailhead and the Wetlands Park, offering easy access to outdoor adventures and natural beauty. This is a must-see property.